everyone. Another side ng life ko that I want to share with you is me as a working mom. So bata pa lang ako, 18 years old pa lang ako, I have been working na. So this morning, we're going to meet a very important person. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin sa inyo. Pero isa siya sa mga tumutulak ng mga karapatan ng mga kababaihan. So I'll be in Quezon City to meet her. And siguro I'll be update. Yun nga, I want to share with you yung another angle of my life, which is my working life. Usually, I would drive myself to office. Kaya lang this morning, dahil today is Monday, and ang sasakyan ko ay coding. So, hindi ko magagawa yun. So, ngayong maagang maaga, it's now, anong oras na ngayon? 6:49 AM. So, nagpahatid lang muna ako sa husband ko. Ayan, siya ang nagda-drive ngayon. He will drop me sa Quezon City, and then pagka okay na, and then diretso na siya sa dialysis niya. By the way guys, ang husband ko is a dialysis patient. So another angle again ng buhay ko is I'm also a carer for my husband who is a dialysis patient. So yun ang some of the things that I will be sharing with you in my other episodes of my video. So yun, I'll update you about my day today in a while. Hello guys, it's exactly 8:30 PM and kakarating ko lang galing ng office. So you can imagine, from this morning 6:30 AM nang umalis ako, ngayon lang ako nakauwi ng bahay. So that's how long my working days are. Ayun. So now, papasok na tayo ng bahay. Ito, nakapasok na ako ng loob ng bahay. So upo lang ako saglit. And then, siguro, well, busog pa ako. I don't think I'll have my dinner tonight. Iinom ako nung, panggabi ko na diabetic medication. And then, yun, siguro mag-shower lang ako. And then, pagkatapos nun, magpapahinga na ako. I mean, hindi pa pala. Meron lang akong couple of emails na kailangan kong isend. And then, after that, yun, pwede na ako magpahinga. So, ito yung, well, not normal, well, this is my normal day when I go to work. Kasi hindi naman whole week na I go to work. There are times na I work from home, especially on Friday. Usually, actually, nire-request ko sa office that I work from home on Monday kasi nga coding ako. Kaya lang kanina meron kaming important meeting na hindi ako pwedeng hindi pumunta. So, yan guys. So, kita ninyo kung gaano kahaba yung araw ko when I go to work. So, of course, yung from 6:30 AM kanina up to 8:30 PM na ngayon, nakarating ako ng bahay. That already includes yung travel time ko to office and coming back from office to home. So, work. Yun yung ating buhay as a working mom. Yeah! Ayan guys, nakapag-freshen up na ako after I came home. Meron lang akong a couple of emails that I need to send. And then while doing that, of course, naglagay tayo nito para sa ating, somehow skincare. Okay. So, stay lang natin yan habang nagsisend ako ng mga emails before I end my day. Ayun guys, so I'm done sending my last minute emails of the day. So, isa rin pala sa routine na ginagawa ko before I finally end my day and take a rest. Nag-i-inject ako ng insulin kasi as you know, I am a diabetic person. So, ito, part of my medication din to. So, before I go to sleep, I inject 26 units of insulin. So, yung brand ko is Lantus. So, I'm gonna inject now. So, ini-inject ko yan sa fatty part ng aking belly. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo, basta I'm injecting. Ayan. So, kailangan ko nang bumili ng another insulin kasi ubos na siya. Ayan, dear viewers, I'm about to end my day na, but I'd like to end this video episode with a positive note, a quote that I found inspiring and powerful. It says, don't limit yourself. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. You have to have confidence in your ability and then be tough enough to follow through. Do the best you can in every task, no matter how unimportant it may seem at times. So yun, I hope you are also inspired by this positive note, and maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Nawa ay lumago pa ang channel na ito, and I hope that you follow and subscribe to this channel, and also paki-like na rin yung video, and I hope to see you in the next episodes that I'm going to release, and maraming salamat. Good night.